We got a call for a dump truck fully loaded with wet clay. I guess 2 tow trucks showed up and tried pulling it out, working together, 2 smaller trucks. Couldn't do it. The dozer guy tried pushing it, but it just kind of pushed it farther downhill, and now they're scared it's going to tip over. The driver claims he's around 78,000 pounds.
Man, look, but he got the tires for this right here.
Oh yeah,
Shucks.
Definitely prepared.
He's going to use this truck? He's shit for me. And he's done this. Girl style. I like to see this. He's the man. Nah, I can get the dirt off of this and we're cool.
I'm going to drive forward till I start seeing red come out the fairlead. That's going to do 2 things for us. Get all the line off the winch so it runs more efficiency, and give us more line out so we can pull longer before having to reset. The first pull here is going to be a 4-to-1 Jeep truck, back to a tree, back to the dump truck, to another tree.
It's just rusty. Oh my goodness! This young man got something going on. He's innovative. I ain't using no other service but this young man here. I'm an advocate for him. Believe that. Because nobody else has been able to do it.
I can keep pulling it, that's not a problem. I just feels like that side's sinking more and more and more.
The driver's side is sinking more, which is going to cause it to tip over. So we're going to shovel out the passenger side to kind of level it out till the driver's side starts climbing up some dirt, hopefully. Ran out of winch space, so the easiest thing is just to pull it out farther and run an extra part of line. So now we're running 5. We're running from the Jeep to the dump truck to a snatch block, up to another snatch block off this tree over here, back to the dump truck again to another snatch block, over here to this tree to another snatch block, and then back deadheading at the dump truck for a 5-to-1.
There it goes, baby.
Is that tree starting to leak? I mean, it shouldn't tip over. You're just an extra safety.
It's starting to lean pretty bad, so we're going to tail wrap the back of this dump truck and use the dozer on site to just keep it from tipping over or just hold some pressure on it. And that's it. He's not going to help pull it out. He's just there to hold weight to keep it from trying to tip over, because it's still sinking too far on that driver's side. We was able to move it far enough to get that line around one of the pulleys, and now it's back to a 4-to-1. Now we just need to remove this line right here so we don't run into it.
Got a little
have-
squishy.
We're gonna have to upgrade those two.
We were already going to.
He did great.